This video was sponsored by Olight flashlights. Stick around to the end and I'll show you one of their amazing flashlights in action. Hello everyone, Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. I was here 2 weeks ago, maybe 3, hunting agates and doing some gold panning on this creek here, which I'm gonna leave unnamed. And I had so much fun that the family wanted to come back with me and see if we could find some more. But today, I've brought the wetsuit, I'm gonna jump in the water and I'm gonna see what I can find underwater for agates and maybe even some gold. Wish me luck, and I hope you enjoy. So we got the whole family here today. They're gonna be hunting the bars, the riverbanks here to see if they can find some agates. Have you found any yet? Yeah. And as I jump in the water and go underwater to see what I can find. I think Alex may even want to jump in the water with me. Nice. What'd you find there?
You have a hammer?
Yep, got hammers, got chisels. Look at that. Agates everywhere. Oh, look at that one up there.
Yeah.
Cool. You may find some a lot easier to get than those, but keep looking. Evan just found his first good agate, free in the gravel bars. Alex found a nice one too, in a fairly small rock that he can beat up and get that out of there. So, got the wetsuit on here. I'm gonna jump in the water and see what I can see underwater. Gonna throw my mask on. I forgot my snorkel today. I'm gonna have to do a lot of holding my breath. Oops. You having fun?
Yeah.
I haven't even got in the water yet. And there's a rock with some beautiful, beautiful clear agates. That agate is so clear. So clear. So I'm just gonna see if I can get these ones out just to sort of, you know, whet our appetite a little bit. They're big, but they're not the huge ones I'm looking for. There's the first one loose. Oh, in pieces. But we have agate pieces. Luckily, the basalt that we're working at is very easy to break up.
But so are the agates.
Yeah, so are the agates, apparently. Come on, you. There we go. Nice one. Yeah, just sitting right here. Rock with a nice agate in it. Beauty.
Got a little bit of banding in there?
Little bit of banding. One more and then we'll go on to the underwater stuff. Even more down inside. There it is. But that's not what I'm after. Let's go find the stuff I'm after. So this section right through here is where I've already pulled out 2 like tennis ball size agates. And I do see evidence underwater of more. But I can't really see through the glare of the water. That's why I have to go underwater with a mask and see what I can find. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find a lot of agates in the bedrock, in this stuff, on the bottom of the creek. Wish me luck. done, Bob.
Hey,
That one's for you.
awesome. I don't have enough hands.
Oh, I still have the flashlight. I mean,
Light it up, man. Light it up. There we go. Nice agate. Looking good. Especially first. Partner. I hit it, broke it. Nice.
Looks
Well
kind
done.
of blue.
Got some blue to it?
Yeah.
Grayish blue.
Yeah. Right there.
That's the nicest one so far.
Awesome.
Well done.
Thanks. I'm getting
Oh,
cold.
where were you? There you are. Well done. Haven't found one in the wall. There we go. There it is. Wow, that's a nice one. Alex says I'm a bit of a raccoon at the moment. Raccoon? Yeah, raccoon. Gotta have this thing really tight to seal against his mustache. I want the one that came out of that socket. Nice. It could be anywhere. So everyone's a little cold from playing in the water. We're gonna pack up here, move to the second claim where we're high and dry and we can pick agates just off the surface in the warmth. It was fun, but a little chilly, and we've got some good stuff here. So we've come to the second claim now, and we're gonna go down the trail and see if we can find a safer spot to hunt agates rather than, you know, at the top of the treacherous cliff that I was at last time. Boys slip and fall there, they're doomed. So we're gonna go down the trail and see if we can find any easier diggins. Look at that, we got agates already in the rocks just on the path. Careful, it's steep. Which way to go? Which way to go? And yes, I see agates in this rock face right here. I see evidence of people digging in the past, and it's much safer. There's nowhere to slip and fall and die. Well, not easily at least. Can you slip and fall and die from here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you probably can. How's everyone else doing?
Sliding.
Exciting, yeah.
It's a nice one. going. I got it loose. Let's see what it is. Mostly loose. There it is. Woohoo! That was one beauty agate. That's a good one. And another good one. I don't know where the bottom half of that one went, but the top half is still there. It's nice. Ooh. Gentle, gentle. Whoop, there it is. Just going over to help Alex get something. I look down at my feet and... just sitting there at my feet.
You had to work a lot less on that one.
There's a lot in the debris. Evan's chipping away here. I was just moving some debris and I almost missed this agate. But as I was moving debris, I saw a little tiny bit of agate show up there and then realized that in behind it, this is all one nice, big, thick agate. And it's loose. Oh, it goes into the rockaways. Might need to deal with the stuff on top first. Careful, careful. Still goes back. Oh, there's a few in here. Big one first. What do? I grab the small one. Oh, look how long it is. That is one big long bubble that made that agate. Very cool. And I got a rusty one exposed inside here. I saw it move, so it's loose. Another nice agate. So I just pulled a rock away from this spot. This agate fell out of that socket right there. You can see the sockets here and there, and the agate. Big, perfect. Look how thick it is. And is that another one? Absolutely. Another one in behind it. Whoa. Hey, Dane.
Oh my! It's perfect too.
Yeah. Well, there's another big one. Nice big flat right there. And that possibly another one even above it. Let's see if I can get that out as a full one. Ooh, that's too close to the agate. Never hit too close to an agate, they break. That's breaking up. Just a thin one. And I've exposed the top edge of a good one. Oh, that one came out nice. Alex and Dana are digging below all the debris that's fallen down from this hill. They're just picking through it and pulling lots of agates out. This one looks to be as big, if not bigger. I see a crack right there I can follow, knock that rock off. I'll do my best to knock off some of this around it. Don't want to break this one. It looks perfect. This rock's bouncing too, so I should be able to pull that rock and this rock away from it and get an idea more what it is. There goes that one. Now let's see if we can get this one away. There's that one going away. Still solid in there. Let's see what I can do with this here. Ooh, do you see it spall? See all of this spalling? It just broke along the bottom edge. Too much pressure from this rock up here went into it. It spalled along the bottom edge, breaking off this white opal. I'll show you what's inside of it. White opal on the bottom, probably agate on top. Gentle, gentle, gentle. It's free. It's free-ish. Don't want to pry it on it. Oh, look at all the opal. Oh, it's a double. It's attached to another one that goes back even farther. Wow. Okay, so this is opal on the bottom, and opal is very fracturable. Fracturable? Sure, fracturable. And then agate on top. There's the biggest one of the day. Wow.
I might have been
We are doing so well here. Unfortunately, it's time to go soon. I don't think we're going to be able to get Evan out of here. He's on the agates. Dana got a whole bag full today.
Want to see me?
Bag o' agate. I got the behemoth. Alex was comic relief. We're having so much fun. What an amazing day we had. So much fun collecting some awesome agates. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Big thanks to my patrons out there. Because of your support, patrons, we get to do these adventures and make YouTube videos for you guys to watch.
We need more bug spray.
Thank you, patrons, for paying for bug spray. Yes. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us that thumbs up. Tell us in the comments what you liked. And until the next one, everyone. Bye!
Bye!
The people at Olight sent me new flashlights to check out. This is the Warrior Mini, and they also sent me the i3T EOS. Not sure what that is, but it's a pocket flashlight. I actually keep one of these in my pocket all the time for just general use. Let's have a look. Nice looking flashlight. There we go. It's got a side button and a back button. 5 different settings. Soft, medium, bright. And there's also a turbo setting, strobe setting. They're waterproof, they're drop proof, they're amazing lights, and this is a nice little handheld guy. And of course, rechargeable big battery inside that is magnetic attachment and a USB. Now this guy here just runs off a AAA battery. Again, multiple settings. We got the dim and the bright. Very useful. As I said, I keep one of these in my pocket all the time for everyday use. There we go. 2 new flashlights from Olight. Woohoo!